Well, hello guys and girls, if there's any watching, which I doubt. This is the truck I was telling you all I'm going to be working on. I'm going to try and fix up a little bit of this rust that you can see down on the bottom end here. Not too sure how we're going to go about this, if we're going to do panels or I might just make my own patch piece and then put fender flares on it. It's still up for discussion. Gotta fix the tailgate bottom. This side's a lot worse. Whereas the doors are a little better. And we're just generally going to fix it up, because this truck here in Canada is worth anywhere from 20 to 30 grand. It's a 2009 diesel duramax, last year of the no def fluid. They're very desirable, and if we can get it looking a little better, the better we can get it to look, the more money he's going to make, right? So we're gonna have a go at that. So I'll keep you guys posted, and we'll see how it all goes. Hopefully it'll look a lot better in the end. Talk to you later. Bye.